What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install the iPhone XS Max into the OtterBox Defender Series case, so stick around. Welcome back and let's get straight into it. First off, we need to remove the case from the included belt clip holster. Then I recommend using a credit card or something similar in size to get in between the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone and the inner polycarbonate shell. Next, you'll make your way around the entire case, making sure that the outer layer is properly removed from the inner layer. Next, on the back are several different arrows showing you exactly where you need to pop the case apart at. Now here I recommend using your fingernail or maybe even a flathead screwdriver. So this is how your case should look once you have it completely taken apart. Next, let's go ahead and install the iPhone XS Max into the case by first putting it in the back section of the case. Next, you can see there's a clamping mechanism at the bottom. Make sure that's properly attached and then fold over the top of the case. Now make your way around the entire case, making sure it's properly snapped together. Next, grab the inner polycarbonate shell and put it inside the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone. Next, make your way around the entire device, making sure that it's properly put together. The case fits really snug and definitely is going to offer a lot of protection for your device. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the case, you can see that we have a protective flap over the lightning port, and we also have two cutouts for both speakers. On the right side, the power sleep wake button is covered, and on the left side, our volume up and down buttons and mute switch are also covered. Anyways guys, that's going to do it for me in this video. If this video helped you out or you enjoyed the video, please be sure to drop a like rating down below, and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.